Charged with driving while intoxicated with a child under the age of 15 as a state jail felony. The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Is calling 2023 CR 0550, and counsel, you need to be on this side. State of Texas versus Tanya Jacqueline Lopez Matthew. Can I have the parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Brown for the defendant.
And are you Miss Matthew?
Yes.
Am I pronouncing your last name correctly? Matthew. All right. Never be afraid to tell someone they're pronouncing your name incorrectly. That's the only way I learn. All right, we have an interpreter here. If you could raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English? So help you God.
I do, Your Honor.
All right, could you state your name for the record, please? All right, thank you. Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Counsel, are you able to speak Spanish?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you speak it fluently?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you able to communicate with your client in Spanish?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you able to go over the entirety of the documents with your client in Spanish?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Matthew, all of these documents are in English. Were you able to review those documents with your attorney in Spanish?
Yes.
And do you have any questions about any of the documents that you've signed?
No.
Right. Did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney and did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, we're proceeding on paragraph A and waiving paragraph B.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, Miss Matthew, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with driving while intoxicated with a child under the age of 15 as a state jail felony?
Yes.
The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you are giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Matthew, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
All right. Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
All right, counsel, did you advise the defendant of the consequences of pleading no contest or guilty in the application of federal immigration law?
I have, Your Honor.
Did that advice include possible consequences such as deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States, or the denial of naturalization? Do you believe your client understands the consequences of entering a plea as it relates to our immigration status?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Matthew, were you advised of the consequences of pleading no contest or guilty in the application of federal immigration law?
Yes,
Did the possible consequences such as deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States, or the denial of naturalization, were those consequences explained to you by your attorney?
yes,
And do you understand the consequences of entering into this plea as it relates to your immigration status?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes,
According to the plea bargain agreement, prosecution is proceeding on paragraph A. There is 11 months in the state jail facility, a $1,200 fine, no application for deferred adjudication, and the state is recommending community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
yes,
Defense, is that the plea?
yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes,
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the plea bargain agreement, the state is asking for your community supervision to be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours community service restitution, DWI education, DWI victim impact panel, ignition interlock for half the term, 2 years driver's license suspension, parenting courses, and regular UAs. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes,
Then to the offense as charged in paragraph A, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no contest.
State, any evidence to support the plea?
State offers states to the one and all attachments.
Any objections?
No objection.
All right, state, you may continue to confer. All right, Ms. Matthew, did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
yes,
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. My client was brought into this country from Honduras at the age of 15, left to be alone to defend herself. She's now 23 years old. She has 2 United States children. She has managed to get this far up until this incident. She's very aware of the consequences because of this incident, and she understands that we'll never do this again.
All right, Ms. Matthew, you understand while you're on probation, you're not allowed to drink alcohol at all?
yes,
All right, are you employed?
yes.
What do you do?
I'm a waitress.
All right. Where are you a waitress?
El taco loco.
All right, do I know El Taco Loco? What is served there?
Mexican food.
All right, so if I were to go there, what should I order? And it's a safe bet. Okay, she didn't even need the interpreter. She's like bean and cheese. All right. I only recently discovered bean and cheese. That is a great combination. All right, so I'm going to sentence you to 11 months in a state jail facility, suspended and probated for 2 years, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider with minors, 120 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. The court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. Parenting classes. Once that's completed, the remaining of the hours will be waived. DWI education course. DWI victim impact panel. Ignition interlock half term. 2 years driver's license suspension. Regular UAs. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. We'll do field visits, 1 time per month for 2 months, and probation, if all is going well with the field visits and you all think it should be discontinued, then it can be discontinued. If there are any issues, let the court know. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Ms. Matthew, is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, thank
Right.
you.
Did you review trial court certification with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes,
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
yes.
All right, good luck to you. All right, we can go off the record. Your attorney is telling me that you've been doing good things since this incident. So you're going to have to make sure that everything that you do from here on out, you think about your children, okay? All right, thank you. Thank you.
This case moved fast, but the stakes were heavy from the very first line. DWI with a child under 15, charged as a state jail felony, carrying up to 2 years and a possible $10,000 fine. The defendant ultimately entered a no contest plea, and the court found enough evidence to convict. The judge then followed the plea structure: 11-month state jail suspended and 2 years of community supervision, plus a long list of conditions designed to prevent a repeat. That includes 0 alcohol, regular UAS, DWI, education, a victim impact panel, 120 hours of community service with incentives to reduce it through COVID vaccination and parenting classes, an ignition interlock, and a 2-year license suspension. And don't miss the immigration piece, because the court clearly warns that even this plea can carry serious federal consequences. The bigger takeaway? Probation isn't getting off, it's a tightrope. One slip, and that jail time can come roaring back. So tell me, was this sentence fair, too lenient, or exactly right, given a child was involved? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.